So, good day. My full name is Kurt Thomas Nicole White-Tabones, but you can call me Kurt. I'm 21 years old and currently residing in Manila for school but I'm originally from Pasig City. So, my hobbies include playing table tennis and video games since I was a kid, but I'm not able to play any sports as I'm too busy nowadays. And additionally, I like to spend quality time with my family and friends. So, as for my expectations about this course, Technopreneurship, I expect to improve skills in teaching and presenting business ideas. So, and second is to learn how to develop a tech-based business idea from ideation to execution. And what I want to know are what are the key steps in launching a tech startup, what are the common challenges faced by technopreneurs, and how are they overcome. So, as for my expectations about my classmates and my group mates, expect to have a active participation, like contributing ideas and efforts to group discussions. Second is to have a good communication, teamwork and collaboration, and fourth is to have a responsibility and reliability in which completing assigned tasks on time and with quality. And lastly is to have a creativity and openness. As for my expectations about my professor, I expect to have a clear and engaging teaching in which explaining concepts in a way that is easy to understand. Second is to have a real-world insights, citing a practical examples and experiences related to this topic. Lastly is to have encouragement of innovation, motivate students to think creatively and take initiative. So what am I willing to do as a student from the course Technopreneurship? So of course I am willing to have a I am willing to participate actively. Second is to contribute ideas, meet expected deadlines provided by our professor. Fourth is to learn continuously, and lastly is to collaborate respectfully. So that is all for my introduction. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.